Okay, welcome back. I basically didn't do much after the first one. I finished the level, but I couldn't record it because the camera stopped working for some reason. So I don't know whether to continue or replay the level. Honestly, it's not that interesting. It's pretty much just what you saw, except I got really lucky, so I'm just gonna go on to the next one. This one is the third one that is annoying. Except this one's just more chaotic and fun. Oh my god, if I win this first try. Every other time, I failed horrendously. Oh god. Double jump really helps on that one because you need to jump into that thing. You don't understand. Well, the thing is, once you get double jump, it helps so much and you use it constantly. You don't stop using it. But then when you lose double jump, you don't realize. You completely forget how much it helps, and you're just completely screwed over. It's really just great. Very humbling experience. Oh god. Yep, that was my bad. Too patient. I'm not patient enough. Oh god. Not too patient? Oh god, that's usually the death of me. Either I'm too patient or not patient enough. Oh god. Oh god. Oh, yeah, I'm dead. See? Too patient. Go. 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 Okay, this one isn't that hard, especially if you have a double jump. Double jump helps a lot with this level, because you can just kind of jump past all the little giant, massive pillars in your way. Oh god. Land on the... damn it. I would have made it anyways. Like I would have made it. It's not like I totally would have made that one. Go, faster. Yes, finally, jeez. Boom. Only 900. That's not enough. Okay, this is the first level. Oh god. It's the first level in the forest area. And I might just beat it first try. Oh wow. Every other time I played this level took ages. Like, it wasn't hard, it was just stupid. Completed the level on first try. Nice. Yes, okay. Now this one is damn annoying. And this is the first level I activated my double jump on, so that's probably what I'm gonna end up doing. Okay. I'm gonna go back and put on double jump. Over here, this is epic mode. Makes the game super epic. That's literally all it does, and it's awesome, and I love it. Boom. See how useful that is? Ooh! Oh god. Still hard though. Still hard. Sprint over here. This is the thing that I came up with. You're supposed to go straight ahead into all the things, and they're supposed to catch you. But that I came up with just going through the side. I was just like, you know what? This isn't working. Going through the front. Whoa! Let's just go over here. Keep going too far. Right here. Damn it! I fell off. It's annoying. Go. Okay. No! Damn it. Every time. That bar right after it gets you every time. This one is an annoying one, but it can be passed with a little bit of, if you're smart, which I'm not, so yeah, I'm gonna be dying a lot on this one. The levels do not get easier. This game is not forgiving whatsoever. Oh god, no! See, what did I say about not forgiving? It's just redonkulous. It's just ridiculous. It's not forgiving. Not, stop. Stop it. Stop it. Get some help. Go. Boom. Damn it. Often the double jump is actually the death of me instead. And if I didn't use it, I would be fine. But instead, I just insist on using double jump, which usually kills me. Just like that. Also, for the low-hanging bars like that, there is a technique in beating that, which I will show, but not yet. There's a level where it's very useful, and then everywhere else it's completely useless. No, God. Go. Keep going. Ooh. Go. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Come on. Come on. Ooh. Yeah. Finally. Only 500 points. That kinda sucks. Dun, 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 dun. Double jump helps so much. Okay, this one is really easy. Probably my favorite level, just because of all this 0G crap, and it's really fun. So you're just floating through the air, and it's also really easy. This one, the first time I played, I had no problem with. I beat it in like 2 tries. And then the next time I played it, I just raged so hard. I couldn't beat it for, I don't know why. I just can't beat it now. It's just, it will be the death of me. It has consistently been nothing but the death of me. The first time, it was not difficult whatsoever. Oh! How in the hell did I make that? Okay. That was a lot easier than I thought. Okay. Keep going. Go. Next. And we are in. Probably. Just don't mess us up. Whoosh. Whooshy whoosh. Good. Forward. Go. Faster. Okay, this one is kind of annoying. This one, that jump between lanes gets kind of annoying. Which later, especially in the winter area, you see a lot more jumping between lanes. Oh god. That thing is going to be super annoying. Hey, what's up? There's one level in particular that when you use epic mode, it gives you so much points, and it's not that hard of a level. I say winter is my favorite. Well, like, the winter area is my favorite, because there's so many levels that are just falling. You fall from place to place, and it's really fun. And I think I won. Boom. Boom. Gotta take risks. Am I in the winter area yet? Oh, this is the last level. This is level 10. No, this is not level 10. Shush. Hush, my little mouth. This is not the last level. It is, in fact, nowhere near the. Actually, it's like level 8, I think. Maybe? I don't remember. Either way, it's kind of annoying because the wall's closing fast, and if you don't sprint to the end, then you're just dead like that. And it gets hard. You have to get pretty lucky with how the things go together. Ooh, 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 damn it! Go, faster, go, go. I think it's the end of the winter area that's got all the big snowballs. I thought that was this one, but maybe it's not. Maybe I'm just hallucinating. And I'm crazy. Also, something I found with the this game, it's usually the 9th level in a world that gives me the most trouble. That is just the most annoying. Usually it's the 9th one. Go faster. Go faster. Go faster. Go faster. Nice. Made it. I'm awesome. Let's go. Okay, this is the level that is annoying, just to say the least, because of all these bars. But I found out while playing this, you can just sit on the top of the truck, not top of the truck, the front of the truck, and skip by that whole area, which helps in a couple other levels, but not many. Oh dear. Oh dear. Oh dear. Okay, keep going. And now. E. 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 No! Let's try going over this legit. Nope. That's not gonna work. Yeah. See, only people who are big brain, only big brain people think of this. Only big brain think. Oh god. Only people who are smart think of these kinds of tactics. And I am not smart, so I did not think of this. I just accidentally, when I was playing this, fell onto the front and found out, oh hey, I can go underneath them. How interesting. I tried crouching and that didn't work. So I was like, oh okay, I guess you have to jump over them. But then I found out, no. In fact, you do not have to jump over them. God damn it. Why'd I take risks? Why does anybody take risks? Oh yeah, because it's fun. Oh hey, I made that over. How the hell did I do that? I don't think I even did that on the first try. On the first game. Okay. Just don't It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. I was just really close. It's fine. It happens all the time. It's not like I'm really angry at this game. No, it's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. This is okay. This is fine. This is fine. This is fine. This is not fine. I'm internally crying. This is fine. This is fine. I can do this. This is fine. This is great. I am having a wonderful time. This is amazing. This level will be the death of me. Oh god. Oh, there we go. Oh, there we go. Oh no. Oh god. Just no. 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 Just okay. Just stay calm. Stay calm. This is fine. I can do this. This is fine. I got this. I can go and do things. This is not okay. Oh god, why? This is not okay. Help me. Why did I play this game? Why did I ever download this game? Why did I ever think this was a good idea? I'm second guessing all of life choices. Ugh. This level is like impossible if you don't have double jump. Okay. No. Oh my god. I totally would have made that if I wasn't stupid. Okay. I'm getting farther. That is good. I'm making progress. That is a good thing. I'm getting better, I think. Is this getting better, or is this just... am I just in denial? Oh god. This is terrible. I hate this. I love this. This is really fun, but it's so annoying, and it's really just annoying. Don't die, truck. You mother trucker. See, it's funny because I'm playing a game with trucks, so I can say that. Haha. Whoo. Hoo-ah. No, don't die. Oh god. Oh my god. Do I actually do this? Or does that truck prohibit me from being awesome? No, I did... I was so goddamn close. Why? Why? I thought I was fine. Oh my god. Help me. This is not okay. Oh god. Oh my god. This is annoying. Whoosh. Whooshy whoosh. Oh god. Oh my god. Okay. Okay, I'm just gonna pause this till I finish this freaking frick. And I'm just gonna like cut the freaking part out. I can't. I'm just gonna cut it out. Like, I'm just gonna cut out the part where fucking. Oh god. I'm just gonna cut out this part. I can't do this. I'm just gonna. Yeah. I think I'm just gonna cut out most of this part because I can't freaking do this. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my. Okay, I'm just gonna cut out this part. Go, 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 go. No, no, go faster. Spider-Man. Okay, jump off there. Get into an actual Oh goddamn. It's this. This is one of the levels that is just full dicketry. It's just full asshole. Just full annoying. It hurts me physically. This level is the most annoying level in this world, probably. In this section of the game. In the tree, forest. I think this is the forest section. Oh my god, finally. Oh my god. That took way too long. Oh, finally. Okay, yeah, this is the level with the giant boulders. I was right. Okay. Okay, I think I remember the tactic for this is to wait for the first one to pass. Then now go. And I could pass through like the rest of this with ease. Yep, with very much ease.